VST Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so, you know, watch till the end. And as the only persona and person in this space with 40,000 videos made, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially Vistra, which, I mean, especially Vistra, it's a bullish market for me. You know, I've done 5 years of this, so I have the data to back up my claim. Unironically, this long side prediction is exactly what's happening now, which at the beginning kind of fell a little bit short and lower. With all that to say is that I'm especially now looking to double down, buy more. So how is it all this going to look like? Well, I'm going to have my demand zone here, and only if I do see it pulling down and giving me some sort of a shift, then yeah, sure, I'm going to look to buy. That's how this is going to look like. That's my confirmation. And all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting. So yeah, no sweat, no forcing, no nothing. Waiting for rules. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K from my trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.